Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. Now I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to create an account on CJ. That's the first thing you need to do, guys, is to create an account on CJ. You just need to click on register or sign in the top right and create an account. Now after you create an account, you want to link CJ with Shopify so that you can start using or you can start importing products from CJ to your Shopify store. Now and then you can like make, or you can, like, for example, if someone purchases an item from your Shopify store, what's going to happen next is CJ will be able, guys, to recognize the address of the customer, and then they will ship that exact product to the customer without you doing anything. Okay, that's exactly what's going to happen. As it says here, we source and ship for you, so they will ship the product automatically to the customer after you receive a sale inside your Shopify store. So the only thing you do, guys, is to promote products through Facebook advertising or TikTok organic free traffic. Like a lot of people right now in the recent years, they are using TikTok as a free organic traffic because, you know, it's a new thing and people take advantage of it right now. So what you guys need first is to connect CJ with Shopify so that you can start using them. Now, as you can see, it says here the shipping method, delivery time. Another reason why people use CJ Dropshipping is the shipping time is way faster than other e-commerce websites like AliExpress. So that's why a lot of people use CJ. Now, like I said, first thing you need to do, you want to connect your CJ to Shopify. Now you want to click on authorization in the top left and you want to select Shopify. After, guys, after you select Shopify, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on add store, and then you want to click on authorize. And here you want to install this app. Okay, it's called CJ Dropshipping. Now for me it says here open because I already installed it. You just need to click install and it will take you guys to another page, and you want to click again on install somewhere here. That's it. Now after, guys, you install the app, it will take you to this page here. Now what you guys need to do, you want to create an account on CJ if you haven't done that already. If you have it, just click on authorize, click on confirm, click again on authorize, and that's it. You have successfully now linked your Shopify to CJ. Now you can start importing products to your Shopify store just like I did, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do, you want to go to CJ and you want to find the product that you want to import or you want to sell on your Shopify store. Now for example, I'm going to search, for example, for makeup products. That's what I'm going to search for right now. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to search for makeup only. Okay, and then you will find a product here. Just find a random product that you want to dropship on Shopify, you want to sell on Shopify, and then for example, just go with this one. Now what you guys need to import this product to your Shopify store so that you can start like advertising this product on Shopify, so that you can start advertising this product from your Shopify to like Facebook ads or TikTok. It depends on what platform you use to advertise your products. Now you just need to click on list, scroll down and click on list, and then you want to select here where it says ship my orders most to United States. If you are targeting United States, which most dropshippers, they target United States because these people from United States, they have like the culture of buying online compared to other countries, especially in Africa. They don't have this mindset of buying online. They prefer cash on delivery. So you just need to select United States and then CJ package sensitive because they offer very fast shipping. As you can see, 8 days shipping, and the shipping cost is $4. So you want to scroll down a little bit, and product type, you want to enter here your product type, for example makeup or anything. Just click on add new and enter here the product type, for example makeup, click confirm, and here a vendor, you want to click on add new and select here, for example test, and then click confirm and scroll down, guys. After you scroll down, you will find here where it says the price of the here. You want to enter the price that you are going to sell this on Shopify, that you are going to sell it. For example, as you can see, the total dropshipping cost is $4. So CG will take $4 each time you sell this item. So you need to increase the price. So I'm going to sell this, for example, for $20. If I'm going, for example, to advertise this on Facebook, I'm still going to pay for ads. So I'm going to increase the price to $20, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do next is you need to click on list it now. Now after you add the price, as you can see your price, and this is the total dropshipping cost. This is how much money CG will take each time you sell this item on Shopify. Okay, now you want to click on list it now, and this product will be imported, guys, to your Shopify. Now you can start. What you need to do, guys, next is you want to start advertising the product. That's exactly the only thing you need to do, guys, is to start advertising your Shopify products. Okay, as you can see, we have imported the product successfully to our Shopify. Now this is just Shopify used to make videos like this. Now that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, now if you go to your Shopify, I'm going to log in into my Shopify store, and I'm going to show you guys the product that we have imported right now. Okay, I'm going to log in into my Shopify. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You want to click on products, and here you will find all the products that you have imported from CG to your Shopify. Now what you guys need to do, like I said, just to start advertising these products on social media like TikTok, Facebook, any platform you like. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Yeah, that's it. Drop a like and see you guys next one.